This is Paar Melis here with my team member, Chris Draper. Most people hear her voice but don't get to see her, as she is our tax team leader. I thought this would be a good time to talk a little bit about tax planning and what we do for our clients. So I brought Chris in, and so I have some questions for her. The first question I have is, why do you think clients appreciate your tax estimate or our team's tax estimate?
I think they appreciate it because we're talking to them throughout the year, not just on April 15th. They don't like the surprises, and if we talk to them in July, August, September, there's not much surprise. I think they appreciate communication throughout the year instead of just one time.
And you typically just email them the result?
No, we go over everything on the phone and talk about the tax planning, and then we follow up with an email. It's helpful for them to see everything. We go through a lot of information. They can refer back to it, and then the tax team can refer back to it.
Do you think some of the things you end up talking about helps minimize their tax bill and gives them a lesser donation to Uncle Sam?
I try my best. Yeah, we talk about a lot of things. We talk about retirement, purchasing equipment, maybe changing withholdings, things like that. They can't do anything about it in February. We can do something about it before December.
You mean April 14th is not a good day to do tax planning?
No, that's not a very good day. Let's do it maybe halfway through the year, June, July, August.
What do you think was about the largest number you had to share with a client?
Close to 200,000.
Now, would you say the fact that they owed $200,000 is a good thing or a bad thing?
I think it's a good thing. Let's just plan for it. You owe it. You made a lot of money, and
that's a great point.
Yes.
You just made a lot of money, so hence you're going to have to pay a lot of taxes. We can't control that. What do you see as some of the challenges for 2020 tax planning?
2020 is all about PPP is a challenge. Those funds, maybe the challenge of first half of the year's income is not like your typical year, and then what do I predict for the second half of the year? And we talk about that a lot.
I'm trying to get a good gauge of what the bottom line is going to be. So you're telling me that PPP money is taxable at this point in time?
The PPP money was used for what it was meant to be used for, payroll. You can't double dip, and those expenses cannot be deducted. So that will raise your net profits.
Okay. You need to plan for the PPP to be taxable because that's the way the tax code is today. Potentially Congress could maybe change that, but at this point in time, that's the rules we got to work with, correct?
And we talk about that.
All right, Chris, I thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it. I hope anybody listening in, this helps you out and gives you an understanding of an added value that Paar Melis and Associates provides to their clients along the way.